And now, I'd like to welcome the man without whom we wouldn't be gathered here today, the one who initiated IEEE Comcast in 2008. Please welcome, with a big round of applause, the General Chairman of Comcast 2013, Mr. Shmuel Oster.
Good morning and welcome to the IEEE Comcast 2013. As Adar said, I'm Shmuel Oster, I'm the conference chairman. Comcast started in 2008 as an international conference. Previously it was a local symposium of one day. We started in 2004 with 170 attendees, no exhibition. And if we will jump to 2011, the last Comcast, we had over 1,200 attendees. This year we have in about 100 exhibition booths. We have speakers and attendees from 36 countries. Less than half of them, of the speakers, are from Israel. The rest are from the United States, Germany, Russia, India, Italy, China, and the other countries. I wish to thank to our technical program chair and co-chairs, Dr. Steve Weinstein, who is sitting with us and will speak later. Also to the co-chairs, Dr. Lance Kaplan, Dr. Dick Snyder, and Dr. Peter DeMacht. To the steering and technical committees members, Dr. Ben Epstein, Dr. Jim Rautio, Oren Chagai, Dr. Barry Perlman. Barry Perlman is a founder, like me, of this conference. Dr. Doug Zuckerman, Yitzhak Shapir, and Itai Voller. And to the outdoor session organizers and chairs, to the exhibitors, and to all the participants. Also to Sagit, Tamara, Limor, Delphine, Miri, Pnina, Tal, and Leo from Orta. Special thanks go to the patrons, to the Diamond patron, Agilent Technologies, to the Platinum patrons, Early Israel, Intelligent, Mini Circuits, MTI Summit, TriQuint, Intel, CST, Starlight, and OMIC, to the Gold patrons, to the technical co-sponsors. We have here in about 6 or 7 IEEE societies. We have the European Microwave Association, we have the IET, and the Gas Association from Europe, and Region 8, IEEE Region 8. And then we have the patrons, including the US Navy, ELTA, and others, and the media supporters. Just to mention conferences, microwave conferences in 2014, the International Microwave Symposium 2014 in Tampa, Florida, will be on the 1st to 6th of June 2014, and you are welcome to submit papers to this conference and to attend this conference. At least Madhu and myself will be there, and more. Also, the European Microwave Week will be in Rome, Italy in October 2014 with the chairman, Professor Roberto Sorrentino. Thank you and enjoy Comcast 2013.